Hey guys, so this is my 2012 bike check, my new channel. So starting at the top, I have some ODI long leg grips stretched out. I have some stock bars. They're pretty good bars for some stock bars. I'm getting some new ones because of this, and I just want some new ones. Have a stock stem. I'm getting a new one because this one doesn't hold up at all. Have a Cane Creek headset. Stock forks right here. Some stock forks. Odyssey Aiken front tire, 2.25 in the front. A black label rim with a stock hub. I have a Mirco frame, Mirco United frame. I have black label pedals, black label. Some Mirco Slim Fast cranks. Some random bottom bracket. My sprocket is a Mirco sprocket. It's one of the Mirco sprockets. I forgot the name. I have a Federal seat, not so cushiony. My back tire is an Odyssey Path, and then a black label back rim in black. That was red, and the Campy chain, stock hub, and just a little hub check. And that's my back check.